This is a tutorial on the Documents module. We've upgraded this module to simplify it. We've also added the ability for the user to share this with specific people. So you might want to share it with just a group or just a class, with all parents or selected school staff. So let's get started. So at the top you're going to see your files. You can add a new file by simply clicking the little link in the top right hand corner, give it a name, choose it within your own computer's or phone's hard drive. You can choose to add it to a specific folder, or you can go ahead and just click on all staff. You may want to add to just certain staff. You've also the ability to add it to all parents in the school or parents of a specific class. Or lastly, you can add it to a group, so just the aftercare group or just the ballet group, and then click upload. Similarly, you have the ability to create a folder. So you can click on new folder and name the folder and then allocate it same again to the staff, parent or groups. One thing to bear in mind is that when you're creating a folder, any file within that folder will take on the permissions of the folder. So for example, if this is the Dolphins class, any file added to that class will take on these permissions, i.e. it'll only appear to parents within the Dolphins class. If you click on the school policies folder, for example, you're going to see all the policies, all the different files within that folder. There again, you can go ahead and just see who you shared it with. If you've made a mistake and you want to move that out of here, you can say click on move to folder, and you go ahead and just move that into a separate folder in the system. The red indicates that there's no files in the folder, and the green indicates that there's one file in that folder. So this is the drama schedule. I've uploaded it, and now I want to move this into the extramurals folder. So I click on move file. So there it is. So if I go into the parent now and switch across to the parents folder, parents portal. So I have a child called Susie and she's in the Sharks class. So I'm going to click onto documents. I want to go to Susie. And then I can see that these are the files that have been shared with me. I can go and click on school policies, and I can easily just click on the link and view the policies. Let's go now back into the admin portal, back into documents, and let's say I want to upload a new document file. So I'm going to click on new file. I want to choose which file I want to upload. I've got my medical authorization form. I'm going to click open. Let's just call this medical form. And I'm going to add this to my administrator documents. So because I'm adding it to that file, that folder, it'll take on the permissions of that folder. So let's click on upload file. So there's two documents there now, and that is going to be shared with selected staff. If you want to edit the permissions of that folder, simply click on the three dots, click on edit, and let's say I want to share that with the whole school. So you'll see now that that's changed to all parents and selected staff. If you want to share a file, let's say I want to share the drama file, drama schedule, with specific parents, click on the actions again, click on share. Now I can either send it via email to one parent, just type their name and it'll send the file, or I can click on choose parents or students. So I can go into the Sharks class, for example, and I can choose specific parents to share that folder with, and I can click share files. That has now been shared via email with those specific parents. If you've got any questions, please email support@childcloud.co.za.